Hey guys, welcome back. So, what do you get when you pair buttery, flaky crescent rolls with all the things you find in an Italian sub? This super easy, insanely delicious, spicy Italian crescent ring. All right, let's take a look at what we're working with. As you see, we have 2 cans, 8 each, of crescent rolls. We have 5 slices of provolone that we're going to slice in half. We have about a half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. We have some roasted red pepper as well as some pepperoncini. Meat-wise, we have about 6 ounces of pepperoni as well as 9 ounces of thinly sliced deli ham. All right, we're going to begin by dicing up our peppers. I'm starting with our roasted red bell pepper. And all we're doing is we're making sure we dice enough to make a half a cup of each, the red bell pepper and the pepperoncini. Okay, so we've sliced up our peppers and we've drained them on a paper towel. All we're going to do now is add just a little bit of pepper and give them a toss. All right, now it's time to roll out our crescent rolls. Alright, so as you've seen, we have put down our crescent rolls into sort of a sun formation, making sure that the dough overlaps on each other. To this, we're going to add our sliced provolone. Next, we're going to go down with our thinly sliced ham and pepperoni. Next, we're going to go down with our pepper mixture. And then finally, our mozzarella. All we're going to do now is just carefully roll up our dough. We are then going to brush with some egg wash. We are then going to transfer this to a preheated 375-degree oven and let it bake for about 20 minutes. And here's how we're looking after 20 minutes of baking in the oven. And that, my friends, is our spicy Italian crescent ring. I hope you give this a try, and I will see you next time.